Thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Julius, and we are here to continue with our series of sessions on report writing, tenets of report writing. We are currently at the end of the planning phase, where we are going to look at the structure, how to pick the structure of a report. So basically, we want to look at how we design the structure of a report. Basically, we are looking at the general attributes of designing the structure of a report. In our course, just display that quickly, we have we are going to look at just to open the course, and let's have a look at what the course is looking like. So we are at a very critical point of our course. So we are at module, the last bit of module 4. So we are getting into, we were at stages of report writing. Now we are around that. Then we move to writing the report. So we'll be writing the executive summary abstract. We'll be doing an assignment to that. So this is basically the structure of a report. This is what we are talking about. So writing the report, that's the last bit of the course, whereby now we are supposed to apply all the skills that we have learned in our sessions, in our practices, to write the report. So in this particular section of the last phase of the course, you'll be writing the executive summary and abstract. We'll be writing the introduction and background, writing the main body discussions. We'll be doing writing the main body findings. You'll be writing the report in totality, and then you'll be writing recommendations and conclusion. So at the end of the day, you'll have learned all the facets of report writing, and you'll have done exercises accordingly. So coming to the session, we are looking at different facets of the structure, different parts of the structure of a report. So we have the obvious parts like title and tables of content. Basically, these are areas that help us to just organize our reports so that they are presentable and they can be easily followed, or the reader can pick a part of the report and from the content and read through. So we'll be looking at the executive summary, basically, and abstract, how to write executive summary and abstract. So you'll be doing exercises around there so that you can see the summaries and how they are written, how you can summarize a whole report through a summary, executive summary, or an abstract. So we'll be looking at how to write introductions and background, so that we can also throw the light to the reader to know the background of the report. So basically, what the background does, it is that it gives the facet. Basically, it gives the facet of the report. So we are saying that we want to know the background of the report. We want to know the context in which the report is written in. So we will look a little bit on the literature review. Some reports will require the reader to read, to do some desktop work, and do a literature review. Some will require you to talk about the methodology that you're going to use. And therefore, we'll be looking at what designs are there, either qualitative or quantitative, sampling, data collection procedures, and all that. However, this is specific to specific reports. Yeah. How and we will be looking at it overally. So in the next first, we'll be looking at in the next bit, we'll be looking at the findings, discussions, and recommendations, and how to write them. Basically, we'll be doing practices around this. So it is very important for us to understand how to write these parts of the reports and how to use the right language. We have learned about passive voice. We have learned about reported language or reporting language. Therefore, we want to put it in practice when you are practically doing report writing. I believe this is the crux of the matter. If we do it well, then you'll see the value of the practices that you have done across the course. Thank you very much. I'll be posting the next assignment just to you to contemplate on the sections and the structure of the report. So the question is, I know in one of the assignments you mentioned about the structure of the report, but the question today is, which part of the report that you have been writing, which part of the structure of the report that you have been writing gives you a headache? Summarize in a paragraph. So I expect impeccable paragraphs to demonstrate the summary. Thank you very much. I believe that we are on the right track and we are going to win. We are going to become better every day. Thank you. Have a lovely moment.